Spanish 2, Contemporary Life, Vocab 66 through 70. I'm going to say each of these 5 words in English, then Spanish, and then clap. And I'd like you guys to repeat with me. Okay? Here we go. 66. To wash the plates, lavar los platos. To wash the plates, lavar los platos. To clean, limpiar. To clean, limpiar. Clean, limpio. Clean, limpio. To vacuum, pasar la aspiradora. To vacuum, pasar la aspiradora. And to set the table, poner la mesa. To set the table, poner la mesa. Lavar means to wash, platos or plates. You're not going to have any trouble with that. How are we going to remember that? Limpiar is to clean. Well, pretend your friend comes to school on Monday morning and he's limping. Like he's injured. You walk up and say, dude, what happened? He says, well, I had to clean my bathroom this weekend and I worked so hard I pulled a hamstring. And you're like, hold it. You injured yourself cleaning the bathroom. You're limping because you cleaned the bathroom and pulled a muscle. Dude, you're a wimp. So again, he's limping because he had to clean the bathroom and he hurt himself. Okay, limpiar is to clean and limpio is clean, like the house is clean, la casa está limpia, or the car is clean, el coche está limpio. Now, in English we say to vacuum, but in Spanish they say to push or to pass the vacuum cleaner. Now, you know a word that ends in ador is either a person or a thing. Now, have you ever, when I was a kid, my mom always had me vacuum. That was like my job. And one day my brother had spilled some aspirin on the floor and didn't pick them up. What a surprise. And I went over them with a vacuum cleaner and went, pop, 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 pop. And as the aspirin were being sucked up by the vacuum cleaner, it made this poppy noise, like somebody was shooting a gun in the distance or something. So I ran over some aspirin with a vacuum cleaner. That's how I remember aspiradora as vacuum cleaner. Pasar la aspiradora. Not my best trick, but hopefully it'll help a little. In English we say to set the table, and in Spanish they say to put the table. And we've talked about mesa being table before. We've talked about this table is a real mesa. We've talked about mesa's table, and a mesero is a waiter, the person that brings things to your table. All right, so let's take the post quiz and make sure you know these words. Okay, I can do this. I'm going to cover up the Spanish. I'd like you to look at the English and say the equivalent Spanish word out loud, or even better, look at the English and write what the Spanish version of these words is down on a piece of paper. This has been Spanish 2, Contemporary Life, Vocab 66 through 70.